Hey, hello, it's Peg, and today is day 27, kind of 27, 28-ish. I'm going to create some backgrounds and things here to start with, and I'm going to use several different products. I have this stuff, it's drying quicker than I want it to on the shelf, so I need to use it up. This is some of that glittery, metallic, uh, blue stuff from what is that by? uh, I'll try to put links down below for you, but it's a product that gets kind of jelly-like when it sits in the jar when you've used a portion of it out of the jar and the air starts getting to it. So I'm using a Tim Holtz stencil and I'm just pushing that product through. Going to create several different backgrounds here. Not sure what I'm going to end up using. I did use it on this other card. The card has some medium already on it. I had used this the other day and put some light molding paste and some what do they call it, wallboard tape on it, and there's alcohol ink underneath of it, and yeah, layer, layer, layer. You know me, I just layer everything up. So I'm gonna lather this stuff down and yeah, there's some more stuff. This is kind of a greenish, green gold tone. Um, this is from another company, but you know, there's lots of different Nuvo and who else makes this stuff? Trying to think of who this one might be from. Might be like a Deco Art product, might be a Thermal Web product. There's so many of them out there. There's stuff from Gina K. Um, yep, here comes a couple more. Haven't even opened this one. Happens to be Nuvo. I know that because I hadn't opened it yet, and it's already kind of solid in the jar. Don't know if that's supposed to be, but it was on sale, so I bought it. It still works. So I'm going to colorize this little laser cut butterfly with this Nuvo stuff, and then I'm going to go to the Gina K glitter in a jar and add some glittery stuff to it because I want it to sparkle a bit. So that's the Nobu, this is the Gina K. You can see this is drying out too. That's why I need to use this stuff up. You know, it only lasts so long in the jar. Some of the stuff I've had for about a year now, and that's about the extent of what you can expect on some of this once you've used some of it out of there. So, I gotta get busy and make some more stuff. Just gonna clean that out of the holes. I will glue down the background and add my butterfly and, you know, cut things down, and that'll be it for today. Not a whole lot to say about this one. Picking the background I want to use. I think I like that one. It's a little more muted. Gonna glue that down on some cardstock, cut it out, and away we go. So check out the hashtag ATCAD2020. If you want to see more video, more stuff on Instagram, more stuff on our Facebook page, that's the hashtag we're using for this month of June. And my buddy Chelsea and I have been doing this for about 4 years now. So you know, if we're feeling up to it again next year, we'll do it again next year. Who knows? We change our mind every once in a while about what we want to do. So this seems to be a good challenge. Everybody seems to be posting. I think we've got 300 to 400 posts of pictures already of ATCs from people that are participating. So that's pretty good. So check out the Facebook group and come join us if you aren't already there. And I'll see you again tomorrow or the next day with another video. Thanks, guys. Remember to be kind, love one another, and stay healthy. Bye.